Lisa Lococo Smith, and I am a sales rep for Kawneer Collaborative. I cover the central and eastern regions of the United States, and I also cover eastern Canada. I am responsible for connecting with architects, developers, and glazing contractors to develop and foster and maintain relationships for future success on unitized curtain wall projects. The thing I enjoy the most is probably the hunt. And what I mean by that is finding a project where our systems, whether it's a standard product or custom application, can offer a solution to the architect's design intent and the owner's vision. And one of the most important things to me is finding a customer, a glazing contractor that we can partner with to bring that project to a successful completion. And I enjoy what we call threading the needle, so to speak, where you start at the beginning, you're working with the architect and the design team, working with my team internally, very closely with the design team, and then bringing the customer in and just kind of bringing the project full circle until it gets hung on the building, and then it's beautiful and you look back and say, hey, we did that.